what the hell is that?
Yeah, same thing. There we go. What's up, guys? This is Dr. Josh here, and we're here with IFBB Pro, Dave Henry. So came in today, his back's a little tight, and you're training your, did you say 4 weeks out?
5 weeks out.
You're 5 weeks out. And what event are you doing?
I'm doing the California Legion 10 November.
Awesome. So we're going to get him stretched out, get him adjusted, and you have been adjusted before, so kind of know what to expect.
Yeah.
All right, brother. So I'm going to go ahead. We're going to get you on your side here first. All right. So how was the flight in?
Flight is easy. Direct flight's always great.
I'm sure you're used to flying, so.
Unfortunately, yes.
All right, guys. So we're just gonna put a little movement down here, okay? There we go. And you're a little easier to adjust than I thought.
Well,
Wait,
I don't know how that happens, but that's good.
it is good. You know the most difficult person to adjust? A lot of people think it's big guys, but it's actually, I'll get back there. It's actually like little gymnasts. Like those are the absolute worst. So,
Okay.
we're just gonna get a little movement in your hip down here too, okay? There we go.
Wow. Now 5'6".
That's right.
One side.
I don't want to put you up weight class though. So. There we go. You never had that done?
No, man. This is totally different stuff.
That's my favorite thing to get adjusted is my foot.
Some people are really on their feet, man. I like it.
Right there. All right. This one right over here. And same thing. There we go. You did that, baby.
Huh.
And you're here just in time for the St. Louis playoffs, right?
Oh, perfect. Yeah. Red Sox fans. It's of Massachusetts, man.
If you would have told me that, I may have adjusted you a little bit.
Oh,
I'm still sore on the 2004, so.
no, man. You know, I'm by way of marriage. I mean, I really wasn't a sports fan at all.
Yeah.
You know, until up to 15 years ago. Let's see it all right.
So, do you, when you've been adjusted before, have they done where you hug, they take pressure off your shoulder, or do you like to be on your stomach?
I don't have preference.
Okay, let's see if we can get it this way. There you go. Yeah, let's get you on your tummy.
All right.
Your shoulders just bother bigger than some of the guys that work out, so.
That's going to cross them underneath or no?
You're good. So, just head right there. Have you taken a big deep breath, and when you breathe out, I want you to look up towards the wall there for me, okay? There we go. Good. And same thing right here, big deep breath, and you don't have to look up. Good, all right. Let's get you on your back there. I'm gonna get those shoulders moving a little bit for you too. So have you scoot down just a little bit. There you go. And we're gonna go right here. So you've probably never been adjusted like this. I'm gonna have you take your hand right here for me. Here we go. And then you're gonna turn to this your left side and then reach around, grab onto my shoulder for me. I'm gonna lift you up right here. That's it. And just relax. Here we go. That's it.
That's great. Oh, man.
You never had that?
No, man. This is some different stuff, man.
What do you think, good or bad?
No, I don't know. Anything that helps with that is good. Because I do have shoulder mobility issues. Wow. All right, so this is there. Yeah, we should make it a little bit more easier. There it is. Oh. I just just cracks me up this bit because I can hear it internally, like crunching and everything. So that's always just funny as hell.
Alright. Let's get your neck here. Right there. Here we go. Same thing here. That's it. Alright. Let's get that shoulder stretched out here. What do you think, man? Everything feeling okay?
Yeah. Awesome.
Alright.
Cocktail in, dressing room. That's it. I'm just going home.
Where's that?
Let's just go home. This is good.
Alright, buddy, let's sit you up here.
Alright.
There you go. And just have you stand up, walk around, see how you feel.
Your back's good. Yeah, it was tight all too long.
Feel better?
Yeah.
Alright.
Good.
Good deal, man.
Awesome.
Alright, so we forgot one treatment on his shoulder because he's a little tight in here. So we're going to get a little more movement in here. So have you go ahead and put your hand on your hip right there. Like, and when I tell you, you're going to come back really fast with just your elbow, okay? Are you going back fast? There you go.
What the hell, man?
And same thing. There we go. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe as we're going to be posting weekly videos.